As we allow ourselves to settle in to this sacred time, we begin our meditation by taking a few deep breaths, allowing the spirit to flow through us, allowing ourselves to relax in its presence, allowing ourselves to be fully comfortable in our seats or wherever is most comfortable for us for the next several minutes. And so we begin our meditation that I have created for this special service. And the theme is loving as freedom. I invite you now to close your eyes, bow your heads if that is comfortable for you, so as to remove any distractions that would interfere in your focus just on my voice and the meditation. I will be guiding you and allow my words to be your words, moving through your heart space. And so we begin. Living from the divine essence within, I am free to be. I express and act from divine love. In my Father's house are many doors to love, many ways to express my love, many ways to receive love. Love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. As I live from this love, I live from a space of freedom. As I respond to all situations from this love, I allow freedom to flow and to permeate every human interaction that I have. I believe in love. I have faith in love. I endure because of love. I let love and faithfulness never leave me. They are written on the tablet of my heart. From this double dose of a divine exquisiteness, I live, breathe, and have my being in the divine. I am free. I support my brother's freedom. I support my sister's freedom. I support my neighbor's freedom. For we are all brothers, sisters, neighbors. I give thanks for love's divine guidance. And I allow these words to permeate my being as I move into the silence, into the silence. I am free. I support my brother's freedom. I support my sister's freedom. I support my neighbor's freedom. I give thanks for divine guidance as I live from love. And so it is. And so I let it be.